Hi everyone. In the previous video, we have seen what happens as a single variable is assigned references to object. So let's introduce another variable into our interaction and watch what happens to its name and objects. So let's create a variable x and assign a value 10 to it. Now create another variable and assign previously created variable x to it. So here when we print x it will show 10, and when we print y it will also show 10. So here the variable x being used and not assigned here. So when we write this statement here, the variable x is being used but not assigned here. So it replaces with the object it references. So when we give this y is equal to x, this means y is also referencing the object which x is referencing. So now at this point of time, both x and y are referencing the object 10. So this scenario in Python, multiple names referencing the same object is usually called the shared references. And sometimes just shared object. So we can say this object is shared by both x and y. So here one point can be noted that the names x and y are not linked to each other directly. In fact, there is no way in Python to ever link a variable to another variable. Rather, both the variables point to the same object via their references. That was what the case is here. So if you try to link x and y together, you cannot. So now suppose if we assign a new value to our variable x. So for instance, let's assign x is equal to Python. So if we print x, it will be Python. So as with all Python assignments, this statement simply makes an object to represent a string value Python and set x to reference the new object. So when we give this statement, it means now we made x to reference Python. So here there is one question arises. We have given this statement earlier, and that time we have assigned x is equal to 10, and when we print x it gives 10, when we print y it gives 10. Now we have changed x to Python. So here when we print x, it prints Python. What will happen to y? Whether it's also changed to the string value Python or still it have the numeric object 10. So let's see by printing this value. So let's print y. So y still holding the value 10. So what could be the reason behind this? So when we have changed x to Python, x become Python, but y y still be 10. So the reason behind this is when we assign Python to variable x, it references the new object. Means when we give this statement, now x started referencing the new object. So because this assignment is not an in-place change to the object, it changes only the variable x and not y. So in-place change. So what is in-place change? In-place change means you have a memory location and you have an object. So when you overwrite this memory location with some other object, that is called in-place change. But in-place change is only possible in mutable objects. And here 10 in an integer and it's immutable. Also a string is a immutable object. So whenever we are reassigning a Python a string or an integer, we are not doing the in-place change. What we are doing, we are creating a new object and to a new location in the memory, and we are pointing this name to that new location. So one might think this behavior is only when there is a type change. Like you have seen that here we have changed from integer to a string. So this behavior will remain same when we do a type change. So that is not the case. For example, if you assign x is equal to 10 and y is equal to x, and you are doing x is equal to x plus 10. So when we print x, it will be 20. But when we print y, it still be 10. So here you may ask, okay, in the previous example we assign a string to object x, and because y still refers to the same object and x start referencing to the new object, it to assign, that's why x become Python and y remains same as 10. So here we are doing the same, we are adding 10 to the x. So y, again x become 20 and y remains 10. So in this example we are using the plus expression. And whenever we perform any operation to immutable object, it will create a new object. For example, if you are doing 10 plus 10, these are the two objects. So the result of this will be 20 and it's a new object. So it means when you did this, it creates this and this is a new object. So now x is referencing this new object, but y still referencing the same old object. So one way to think this, unlike in some language in Python, variables are the always pointers to the object and not the labels of the changeable memory areas. So when we assign a variable, so this variable name is a pointer, means it's a link. It's not like that this is a label. So here it's not a label, it's just a pointer. So setting a variable to a new value doesn't alter the original object. This causes the variable to reference an entirely new object. So the question arises here, what will happen when we assign mutable objects? So till now we are talking about the immutable objects. And we discussed earlier, immutable object doesn't allow in place changes. So what will happen when we perform the similar type of operations on the mutable objects that allow in place changes? Yeah, so this topic will be discussed in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching and stay tuned.